Bernadette asked for Dr. Abergel's help to regain a younger look.
How are you?
I'm good, I'm Bernadette.
Good. Nice to meet you, Bernadette.
I'm Bernie.
Very well. Tell me a little bit what you see that has changed, that you want to enhance.
1,
Okay.
2, and I used to have cheekbones and they're gone.
You're gone, huh? Okay. Let me just examine you for a minute. I just want to see your eyes and the elasticity of your skin. Very well. Well, you know, I think we can really correct this very easily and make you look a lot younger, a lot happier. Then I think it would start with your eyes, you know, taking this excess skin that you have here and making your eyes more open and more vibrant. Then taking this excess skin, pulling it a little bit, putting it back where it used to be,
Right.
20 years ago, and improving on these lines and enhancing your cheekbone, and I think you'll look a lot better. All this is reversible.
His treatment plan will include a mini facelift, upper eyelid laser surgery, and cheekbone enhancement with natural fat filler.
Raise your eyebrows.
Surgery day. Dr. Abergel marks where he will erase wrinkles and lines.
Now you're gonna go to sleep nicely. When you look at her photograph, you see that her eyelids are very droopy, and that give her a very sad and older look. The next thing that we had to address was the laugh line that, as you can see, are quite deep. She had also lost her cheekbone, it disappeared.
Dr. Abergel outlines his plan of action for Bernadette.
The first thing that I did was to perform laser eyelid surgery. And that's probably the procedure that gave us that was the most rewarding.
Let's see how Bernadette's mini facelift turned out. Just 8 days after cosmetic surgery.
Hi, look at you. You look great. Is the good doctor? He is. Come on in.
Well, hello. Bernie.
Thank you
How
so
are you?
much. I'm so good.
Nice to see
Good
you.
to see you. What do you think?
I think you look sensational.
You don't say that to all the girls, do you?
No, it's beyond my expectations.
It's not really.
You know me. I can't lie.
Yeah, you're just being honest.
No, it truly looks sensational.
Really? Because you said 12 out of 10, and I was like,
The beauty is that you're gonna keep improving.
Yeah.
You're gonna see that as months go by, you're gonna look better and better and better.
I feel
But
so good.
do you remember the picture that you brought me of you 20 years ago?
Yeah.
Well, you're very close
Very
to
close
that.
to that. It's true.
I think maybe even better.
I can't believe there's no bruising after 8 days.
Hardly any swelling. No pain.
No
Right?
pain.
I told you that recovery would be simple.
I thought you were kidding.
No pain. And you can't even tell the incision line now.
Why don't more people do this? I don't understand
Well, because they're not aware.
of what they can have.
So it's a hit, huh?
I'm so happy. I want to start working out. I wanted to work out 3 days after. I put on some sunglasses and a hat just to get out because I feel like I'm cooped up at home for no reason, really.
Well, you see, this is the new trend. It's a minimally invasive cosmetic surgery.
I can't believe no more people don't do this.
It's a surgery that will make you beautiful, but not confined for a month to recover.
I would have never thought I would feel this good 8 days after a surgery.
Plus, you look so natural.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
It was the art of cosmetic surgery that brought Eva to Dr. Abergel.
What I hope to achieve is that this excess skin here will be gone, and I basically want to turn back the clock a little bit, just a younger version of myself, and less like my mother.
She knows what she wants to change.
I had a full facelift scheduled with another doctor. I was already ready to go. I think it was 6 weeks away. And then I saw Dr. Abergel on a short news clip, and I thought what he said made sense.
Eva met Dr. Abergel and got surprising news.
When I saw Dr. Abergel, he pointed out to me that a full facelift at my age was not necessary. At my initial consultation, I knew I had found the right doctor. He addressed all my concerns. He was very careful in answering everything, not just rushing me through an interview, and it worked for me.
Dr. Abergel explains his areas of focus on Eva.
Okay, Eva, you see you have a little too much here. You have this excess skin. So we're going to take care of that and lift it up. And you're going to look beautiful. We're going to redesign your jawline. Take a little bit of this. Give you better, nicer cheekbone. And then
more youthful.
Going to make you look young again.
Okay. Works for me.
After a smooth journey through cosmetic surgery and her recovery, let's get our first look at the new Eva.
This is about 2 months after my surgery, and I have to say I'm very pleased. I did receive the effect that I was going for, which was not a full facelift that has that wind tunnel look, but a gentle facelift.
What's been the reaction of friends?
My feedback overall has been incredibly favorable, except nobody knows what they're complimenting.
Eva got an extra bonus from her new look.
I have very young men coming on to me, flirting with me, asking for my phone number, a lot younger and a lot more than prior to the surgery, and that's wonderful. I've got the results I wanted, and thank you, Dr. Abergel. I'm grateful. I love it.
Dr. Abergel's minimally invasive cosmetic surgery made the difference for Eva. See what it can do for you. Call Dr. Abergel at 800-366-3211. 800-366-3211.
Now let's meet Linda. This 62-year-old ballroom dancer talks about how unhappy she was with her appearance.
Before cosmetic surgery, when I used to put on my makeup, especially under my eyes, I just really hated looking in the mirror.
These are photographs of Linda prior to surgery. The most important feature here is you see the jowl and the saggy neck. In addition, you see very heavy lids with bags under the eyes and redundant skin.
The recovery time was a lot faster, and that really impressed me. For anybody that's working, you don't have a lot of time to take off of work, and that's real important to me. When they did my facelift, I wouldn't have the scars. People wouldn't know. I could still wear my hair up, and I thought, that's wonderful. That's where I'm going. When I get up in the morning, I don't, walk by the mirror and not look at it anymore. I want to look in that mirror, and I want to say, thank you, Dr. Abergel. I am so happy with what you've done for me.
Dr. Abergel takes pride in giving more confidence to his patients. In some cases, his ultralift procedure gives the patient a new yet natural look.
When I went to see Dr. Abergel, he was very kind, very easy to talk to, listened to what I had to say. I didn't feel that he was trying to get me to do tons of different procedures. He narrowed it down to what he felt were the best procedures for me. It took me about a month to decide that that's really what I wanted to do. Called back and made an appointment, and I'm thrilled with the results. I feel much younger. I feel refreshed, more rested. Don't look like a basset hound anymore. It's given me a really great new outlook on life. People react to me much differently, and I'm sure a lot of it is because I'm behaving differently. I'm behaving more refreshed, younger, and it's really been an asset, I think, to my life.
Dr. Abergel touches on the artistic aspects of cosmetic surgery.
It is critical to avoid the pulled wind tunnel sort of look. No one likes that anymore. What's important is to give the patient a natural, refreshed look that they can enjoy for many years, and that really no one can detect that they had cosmetic surgery. The impact of cosmetic surgery on patients' life can be amazing. I love hearing stories of patients after surgery saying, well, I got married, or I got the job, or I got the new part in a movie, and it's just great for me to take part in this major life life-changing events.
Patients chose Dr. Abergel for his competence and his results. Just as importantly, they feel safe with him. They feel that he truly cares about his patients.
My patients stay in touch with me for a long time. I love getting that occasional phone call or card telling me how great they are and how happy they are with their results. And often I get a lot of their family members as patients thanks to a good word of mouth.
Many of his patients compare him to the trusted family doctor of generations ago, a doctor who truly cares and establishes long-term, enduring bonds. You will find your consult to be a heart-to-heart talk with a new friend, an expert who knows how to listen.
I am often asked if I only treat movie stars. My answer is of course not. But for me, each patient is very important. Each patient is a real movie star for me because I treat them like family. And I really treat my patient like I would like to be treated if I had to go and see a doctor. The patient's safety for me is the most important. That's why we operate in a state licensed surgery center. We have the state-of-the-art equipment. Of course, we're adjacent to a major hospital, and all our anesthesia are performed by a board-certified anesthesiologist with over 20 years experience in the field. I cannot emphasize enough how important the anesthesiologist is. He's the one who's going to make your experience safe and comfortable and enjoyable. The most important is for a patient to really do their homework. They have to check the credentials of the physician, they have to check his board certification, they have to check his experience. It's good to talk to his patient who had surgery before. Look at his photo album, look at the before and after pictures. Most importantly, you should feel that there is a connection and that you found a surgeon who not only has the ability but the talent to give you what you want. Look for someone who is caring, who's going to be there for you, not only during the surgery, but most importantly, after the surgery. I always encourage the dialogue. I always encourage my patient to call me if they have a concern, to come to the office anytime that they feel is necessary. The more they know about the process, the more they know about the surgery, the more comfortable they are, and the better the outcome.
Once you tell Dr. Abergel what you're interested in, he'll give you his professional opinion on what will give you the happiest outcome. Here's something surprising. It may not even include everything you thought you needed done. If you're interested in having one of the leading cosmetic surgeons listen to your concerns and tend to your needs, if you believe in building a relationship with a doctor you can trust, then you're calling the right specialist.
I hope that you have enjoyed tonight's program. If you want to learn more about laser cosmetic surgery, I invite you to call for an appointment.
For further information, call 1-800-366-3211 or email us at info@drabergel.com.